This 5-minute solution will show you how to use the inbox tool in Facebook Meta Business Suite. First of all, open your Meta Business Suite and make sure to select your business account where you connected your Instagram and Facebook page. And now here you will get the inbox tool. Just click on that. And now from here you can easily check your Facebook page and Instagram inbox. If you select all messages, here you will get all of your Instagram and your Facebook page messages or conversations. And if you want to see only your Messenger chats, here go to Messenger, and here you will get only your Facebook Messenger chats. And if you want to see only Instagram messages, then select Instagram. And also in these inbox tools you can handle your Facebook comments. You can reply any comments. Just click on the comment, and here you can write a comment for your Facebook videos. Also you can handle your Instagram comments here. And now let's go to all message section, and here you can open any conversation. You can easily reply any message, and you can also add a level for the conversation. You can make any conversation done by clicking on this move to done option, and you can also mark as follow up from here. And if you want to see only unread messages, then click on unread, and here you will get the list of all unread messages. You can also filter your messages from here. You can search for a specific conversation or a message using this search box. And to make any conversation spam, open the conversation or message and click on this three dot, and here you can move the conversation to spam. You can delete the conversation. You can make the conversation mark as unread. So this is how we can use the inbox tool in Meta Business Suite. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.